Hello Danny, I have received your grinder and this is exchange unit. So Pietro grinder, Pro Brewing, pastel blue, and this is serial number 502818, and this is a sealed box. As per your request, I will swap the burrs, the one you have. Okay. Sorry. Danny, I didn't receive that manual, so I'm going to keep this one, okay? All right. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. So this screw is in the place, and let me show it close distance. So now I'm going to swap the burrs, and then here I have the few bins. I'll try to adjust it to the same size you set it. I presume you're using this one for drip coffee because this is way coarse for espresso. And yeah, I'll try to adjust the same size. Let's try to grind these beans and to see whether these the screw get loose or not. So take this one out. So this is yours. Oh, cool. The one you have has a red, this plastic piece here. It's a red. It's fine. Okay. So one quick recommendation. As you see in the brand new product, there is some grease there. This is food grade grease. It is something that you shouldn't do it every time when you clean it, but once a month I recommend to clean this area with a paper towel or something and just add one drop of the food grade grease, and you have to make sure that it will not heat up during the grinding process. Otherwise, if that grease removed due to high friction, it will start to it can wear this bearing, or it can damage. So therefore it's recommended to add the one drop every month, maybe 1 in 2 months depending on the frequency. And if you get one tube from the Amazon, it will go more than 2 years. So now I'm going to install the burrs you have. Okay. Okay. And okay. So it perfectly sits and stops there. Okay. And now let's adjust the grind size to, this is 0. Go, what was the number in your grinder? Okay, between these two, let's go. Okay. This is step grinder. but you can go between the numbers. That's okay. So now let's open this one and start to feed the grinder. Okay. Okay, let's see the product. Okay. This is okay. And maybe you just left this number there just randomly. This was my assumption that maybe you're using for this, for the drip coffee. So that's why I set it the same size. But yeah, this is, it looks consistent. And if I, so sorry, let me add a few beans and grind, continue to grind. I just want to confirm that that pin will stay there. Let's just finish that first. Okay. Now I'm going to change the size. I will go somewhere around 4. Okay, now I feel more resistance. Okay. Two different grind size. And now let's see the burst. Sorry, that. So I don't think it's moving. It's still there. And let's see when I put play for stop. Okay. Yeah, it stops there and back again. Yeah. So I don't think on this one it moves. It is stable from the beginning. And once you receive the video, you can compare the distance. In the beginning of the video, I showed that part. Yeah, you can quickly compare them. So I don't think it moved. It's stable. So yeah, please review the video and let me know about your decision. And if everything is okay, I'll pack this machine and yeah, we will ship it to you back. Okay.